Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make instant radish pickle easy guide. Start by washing and thinly slicing 2 cups of radish into uniform pieces for even pickling. Next, prepare a hot brine with 1 cup vinegar, 1 cup water, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 1 tablespoon salt, and bring it to a simmer. Pour the brine over radishes in a jar and let them rest at room temperature. In this video, I will show how to make instant radish pickle easy guide. Measure your ingredients before starting to keep the process smooth and quick. Thin slices ensure the brine works fast, so aim for about 2 cups of radish sliced evenly. Heat 1 cup vinegar and 1 cup water with 2 tablespoons sugar and 1 tablespoon salt until the sugar dissolves, then remove from heat and prepare to pour over the radishes. In this video, I will show how to make instant radish pickle easy guide. Place the radishes in a clean heat-proof jar and gently pack them to leave small gaps for the brine. Carefully pour the hot brine over the radishes until they are fully submerged, then cover with a lid to trap the flavors. Allow the jar to cool to room temperature before moving it to the fridge and wait the minimum recommended 30 minutes for crunch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.